The ingredients required for the recipe are here in the list. For the chicken marination process, add half cup of curd, half teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, and 2 teaspoon of dhania powder. Mix all together onto the chicken and let it marinate for some time, around 15 minutes or so. Now the marinated chicken is ready for the further process. Let's make the green palak paste. For that we need 1 bunch of palak, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 3 spicy green chilies and 4 onions small size. Cut them and make it into paste, adding a little bit of water. Now in a pan add oil and let it heat. When the oil is heated, add 1 cup of onions which is cut lengthwise. Fry it well. Here you can see the onions are getting fried up. When it turns brown in color, you can add the chicken, the marinated chicken into it, and mix the onion, the fried onions and the chicken together. Let the chicken get fried without covering it with a lid. After some time, you can see the chicken is fried very well. Now you can add the tomato paste into it and mix it. When you see the chicken is leaving water, you can cover it with a lid and let it cook for some time. After some time, you can see the chicken and the tomato is being cooked well. You can find the chicken is cooked 80% now, and this is the time when you remove all the chicken pieces into another plate. You can see I am removing only the chicken pieces into the plate, and the little gravy is still behind in the same pan. To the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it. Once it is heated up, add already prepared the palak paste into it. As the oil and the masala are already heated up, when you put the palak paste into it, it comes to a boiling point very soon. Just mix all of them together. When all the masalas get combined with the palak paste, let it get cooked. You can see the palak paste is getting cooked and it's become thicker. The water in it is evaporated. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili powder into it. Remember, I've already used salt and chili powder into the chicken, so accordingly, as per your taste, please adjust the spice levels. Mix it and cook it with the lid covered. Now you can see the palak paste is cooked completely. The water in it is completely evaporated. The color has also changed. It has become dark green in color. Now add in the separated chicken pieces into it and combine all of them together by giving a proper mix. Now add water into it and adjust the consistency of the gravy. If you do not want more gravy, then you can add just 2 or 3 tablespoons of water into it and let it get cooked. Wow, this looks great. The palak chicken is very much ready to be served. The palak chicken is best served with rotis and jeera rice. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and like my video. Thank you once again.